Welcome to lesson number 12 or class 12. And today we are going to talk about stating feature intentions and plans. Intention كون إلك بعلامة تمدبو نجارات عم مزايك تقبرو تدلي مالتي and plan كا مدبي plan قبريناش مدب ناب كمزي خيدي كمزي قبري مرتخ جمري كدقسي كتصاوتي إلنا مدب نقبرني نعم نمتعي نتصباح يخون ولا دحر 5 ساعات يخون ولا دحر ورحي يخون ولا دحر سومن يخون زي قدس معاك نترحقات كزي بزي قدس بزعبا متعي كمي قرنا نزارب لو ما عندي خمرينا معاك اوكي كلمنا لو ما عندي كلاس مجمعنا حنت حتى What did you do yesterday? Tell me 3 things. What did you do yesterday?
I did it yesterday.
Think and answer.
Yeah.
What did you
I
do
did.
yesterday? So I told you already. Did is only with homework and with exercise.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did study English.
Yes. Again.
I did.
So only with homework. I did my homework, or I did exercise. No, we don't.
I
say
did my homework
Okay.
yesterday.
Okay. 1, 2 more.
I did play.
I did مش كله يتعطني همزة زولك way I did my homework أنت مراتي ويكا I did exercise hello
I
normally
did
قل
swim.
أين توانينا مش كله verb يتعطني
I did swim it out.
no كمير كها positive past تزارب positive كونس ناي past تمارس قدر كها كم زي قدر
I did you watch.
no زي did تمارس الله ما تكوني بلا I played
I played.
I الكاست verb تمثل ما حلو في verb ها
I played yesterday.
alright tell me more
I studied yesterday.
study or studied
I studied.
I studied very
yesterday.
good one more
I slept.
I slept very good
yesterday.
very good لذي positive كما قلنا يعني منس I then past verb سلا أنا what did you do زولكوها I did نالكات منس ما تفهم حتى يرملسي did you eat تلقى حتى يرملسي يعني yes I did so okay تجمع مول ملصت بنت هون كاجن I ate breakfast I played football I studied English okay now I will ask you direct question if you do it if you did it then you tell me in a positive answer if not you tell me in negative okay
If you do it,
دحر جيركايو هونكا بالبوزيتيف تملس علي تزي جيركايو ها بنيجاتيف تملس علي okay بزعبا تمالي حتى كا did you call your friend yesterday
yes, I did.
no I need full sentence full answer
Yes, I did call my friend yesterday.
مش كده يا جماعة yes
Yes, I called
I called
my friend yesterday.
okay did you go to Jinja yesterday
No, I didn't go yesterday, Jinja.
go تيلنا هلو جزي to على هدي تعرف
No, I didn't go to Jinja yesterday.
Very good. I didn't go to Jinja yesterday. Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I studied English yesterday.
Very good. Did you study biology yesterday?
No, I didn't study biology yesterday.
Very good. Nice. Did you play football yesterday?
No, I didn't play football yesterday.
Very good. Nice. So it's good to start about feature tense. دي بزعبا feature كنجمرينا مالتي. Very good. Okay. So feature ናይ feature ሸቶታትና ንሕና ክንገብሮ ንደሊ ወይ ድማ ብዕላማ ክንገብሮ ንደሊ ኣብ መጻኢ ብfeature tense ጌርና ኢና ንገልጾ ማለት እዩ። ንኣብነት tomorrow I am going to ኢልና ሸታይ ትመጽእ verb ትመጽእ ብድሕሪያ alright eat sleep go play cook drink okay verb እያ ትመጽእ እስከ ድገማ ምሳይ tomorrow I am going to
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 going
to
tomorrow I am going to
tomorrow I am going to
very good ሕጂ እዚ going to ኣይፈላለያን እየን ሃይ ኩሉ ግዜ ብሓንሳብ ክህልው ኣሎ ናይ ግድ going ኢልና to ተገዲሽናያ it's wrong so verb ክንላ ኣላ ኢና ሕጂ I am going to eat lunch
I am going to eat lunch.
I am going to eat lunch
I am going to go eat lunch.
I am going to eat lunch
I am going to eat lunch.
شكرك على I am going
to eat lunch.
very good nice I am going to play
I am going to play.
I am going to play
I am going to play.
very good nice okay ካልእ tomorrow صباح مالتي ዝመጽእ ዘሎ ሰሙን እንተረይልና next week ካልኣይቲ መንገዲ ብዛዕባ ፊቸር ኣዘራርባ ክንርኢና ሓንቲ I am going to ርኢና ኣለና ካልኣይቲ ኸ next week we will ሽዑ verb ትመጽእ alright next week we will eat lunch
Next week we will eat lunch.
next week we will eat lunch
Next week we will eat lunch.
very good next week we will play
Next week we will play.
next week we will play
Next week we will play.
very good nice ስለዚህ ክልተ መገዲ ርኢና ኣለና ሓደ I am going to ካልኣይ ከዓ I will ክልቴን እዚአን feature sentence ክንሰርሕ ንኽእል ኢና ማለት እዩ okay so እዚኣ vocabulary ክንርኢ ኢና ብዛዕባ feature መደባትና ንዛረበሎም ማለት እዩ number 1 meet ማለት ምርኻብ ማለት እዩ ምርኻብ action verb okay ምርኻብ ናይ ሕሉፍ ናይ ሚት last time ተማሂርናያ ነርና ንሓርከይ ረኺበዮ ነይረ እንተለያታይ ትብል
I met my friend.
very good I met my friend እዚኣ present ናታ እያ met ሕሉፍ ናይ ሚት እያ okay and እስኪ እዛ example አንብባ
Tomorrow I going to meet the friend. Finger.
ጀገር ካንብባ
Manager.
yeah every single word ኣገዳሲት እያ ሓንቲ ቃል ከምዚኣ ትመስል ኢልካ ክሳብ ትገብር የብልካ ብምስሊ ክትከይድ የብልካ ትሪኣ ኣለካ ተንብባ እስከ ድገማ
Tomorrow I am going to meeting the manager.
meet or meeting
Meeting.
meeting meet يعني
meet.
so be careful ክትዛረብ ከለኻ ጥንቃቐ ኣለካ ተንብብ ከለኻ ቅልጣፈ it doesn't matter ድሓር እዩ ዝመፅእ መጀመርያ እንታይ ክመፅእ ኣለዎ ቁኑዕ ኣናብባ ክመፅእ ኣለዎ ምስ ግዜ ሽዑ ቅልጣፈ it's easy ቅድም ተቕልጥፍ ተኾንካ ግን ብዙሕ ግዜ ትዕንቀፍ tomorrow I am going to meet the manager
Tomorrow I am going to meet the manager.
እንታይ ማለት እዚኣ ትርጉም ኣብ ትግርኛ ነገረኒ
Tomorrow. نادي مانجر سي صباح قراوي.
nice صباح نت manager قراوي very good nice ካልኣይቲ word lounge
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 very good lounge ማለት ምጅማር ማለት ምጅማር ግን ኣብ ኮርፕ እዚኣ ኣብ ላውንች ኣብ ምንታይ ትጥቀመላ ንኣብነት ፕሮግራም ነዳሉ ሞ ፕሮግራም ሓሙስ ላውንች ክንገብሮ ኢና ሓሙስ ክንጅምሮ ኢና ማለት እዩ ኦኬ good ወይ እቲ ክላስ ቀዳም ላውንች ክንገብሮ ኢና ቀዳም ክጅምር እዩ እቲ ክላስ ናይ ምጅማር ማለት እያ እስኪ ኤግዛምፕል አንብባ
next week we will launch the system.
very good
next week we will
launch ከይትገብራና ምሳሕ ከይትኾን ኤ ተምግን ከስ ላንች እያ ዝኾነ ኣሃላ ግን ላውንች እስከበላ launch next week we will launch the system
next week we will launch the system.
very good ማለት እያ ትርጉማ
ኣብ ድመፅሲ እቲ ሲስተም
ክንጅምሮ ኢና very good ኣብ ዝመፅእ ሰሙን ሲስተም ክንጅምሮ ኢና okay next word travel ንጋሽ ማለት እዩ በዛሕ ግዜ ናብ ርሑቕ ቦታ ካብ ሃገር ናብ ሃገር ገሽ ከለኻ travel okay እስከዛ ኤግዛምፕል አንባ
tomorrow I am going to travel.
very good እንታይ ማለት እያ ትርጉማ
ጽባሕ
ትገይሸ very good okay last word change ማለት ምልዋጥ ምቕያር ማለት እዩ okay so change ክዳነይ ክቕይር change ከና ክንነግራ ንኽእል ኢና ሃገር ክቕይር same or ስራሕ ክቕይር okay ምቕያር ማለት እዩ እንካ ለውጢ ንለውጢ ከዓ change ኮይና the weather changed ኩነታት ኣየር ተቐይሩ okay example እስኪም ድባ
next week we will change over starting
next week we will change our strategy Skafulala, next week we will change our strategy.
Next week we will change our
strategy. سمعها فلها strategy؟ هذا سمع. أبوك. نوجع.
strategy.
هوموناي وكل قالت أو كل يزرق أبناء business دليكا استراتيجي توصل معناته كم يرجعها customer تمت الأمانات كفوري توت ناتك استراتيجي مالتي كما رأيت هونكا أتصنع أنا استراتيجي تقبل ليت تسيا هذا قالها تتصنع قالها تقبل أبغون إذا أتماتي استراتيجيس من قدي مالتي معرفة توصل من قدي مالتي okay good so ترجمان ده يطلع next week we will change our strategy ترجمة عاجزة معناتها strategy ده هم بتيجي نعم زلاتا እንታይ ማለት እዩ?
ኣብነት ሰሞንሲ ናትና ስራሕት
ናትና ስትራቴጂ ከነውፅኦ ኢና ክንሰርሖ ኢና ኣየነይቲ እያ እታ ክንሰርሖ ክንቅይሮ ኢና ቼንጅ እያ ትብለላ ምቕያር እያ ብዛዕባ ምቕያር እያ ኦኬ ጉድ እስከ ሕጂ ነዚ ቃላት ክንደግመን ኢና ዋን ሞር ታይም ናምበር ዋን ሚት ምርኻብ ማለት እያ ናምበር ቱ ላውንች ኖት ላንች ላውንች ምጅማር ማለት እዩ ናምበር ትሪ ትራቨል good number four change ها مغيار ملوات مالتها okay nice okay زي قال زي اسكا تايلاند نمصا فيكس معراي مالتي okay معراي عملت موبايل كانت تبلاشة the electrician will fix معراي مالتي استبلاشو ነገር معراي okay እስከዚ አንብባ
I am going to fix
እስከ ገለ ነገራት ወላ ሕጂ معراي አታ fix
I am going to fix my car
very good I am going to fix my car እስከዚ አንብባ
I am going to fix the document is assessing
issues problems ማለት
okay
ፀገማት ማለት so ናይቲ ዶክመንት ፀገማት ታገብረ ከዕርየ very good እስኪ ሞባይለይ ከዕርየ ትልተለላ
I am going to fix my phone
very good laptop ከዕርየ
I am going to fix my laptop
very good so عليتي we will buy نجزع مالتي جزء هلا هون we will buy طب نجزع بينا buy very good okay كنعدقينا ونكعدقي زي حاجة كنعدقينا تفهم دلا سكيزيا نمبر
next week we will buy the apple next week we will buy the updated software
next week we will buy the updated software
next week I will buy the updated software
كاسيلكا next week we will buy the updated software
next week we will buy the updated software
very good هجي software كل ጊዜ ናምነት ላፕቶፕ ተለያት كل ጊዜ update ትገብራ ኢኻ software ማለት ነዛ ላፕቶፕ ክትሰርሕ ዝገብራ ያ ሞባይል ክትሰርሕ ዝገብራ ውሽጣ ዘሎ ሲስተም ማለት እዩ ቀጻሊ update ይኾን ይሕደስ ስለዚህ እቲ update software እንታይ ትብላላ ትርጉማ እዚኣ next week we will buy the updated software እንታይ ማለት እዩ
ኣብድመት ሰሙንሲ ነቲ software ገዚአ ነው ክሕድስ እየ
تحدث عربي لا ده
كغير اللعب
انت تغير هذا مجزاء غير اللعب هاي مجزاء تغير
software
updated software okay updated software ስለዚህ next week we will buy the updated software እታ meaning አበያ እታ ትርጉም አበያ ትምርካስ ኣብታ verb ያ ትምርካስ ባይ አይደለ ምግዛት ላይ ያለ እንዴ እቲ አፕዴትድ ዝኾነ ሶፍትዌር ክንገዝኦ ኢና ኦኬ ነምበር 3 I am going to practice ከማለት ያ
practice ምድልማድ
ምድልማድ ያ ትለማመድ ከለካ ማለት እዩ ከመይ ገና ንፃ practice
practice,
practice
practice.
very good okay እስኪ እዛ ኤግዛምፕል አንብባ
Tomorrow I am going to practice speaking.
very good tomorrow I am going to practice speaking ፅባሕ English no English የብላን just speaking ትለማመድ can be any language okay እስከ ፅባሕ English practice ክገብር እየ እስከ ቀይራ
Yesterday
ትማሊ ፅባሕ
okay, I will tomorrow I will study English.
ምልምማድ እምበር ምፅናዕ ዓለይካ ምልምማድ
Yesterday tomorrow
ፅባሕ
yeah, tomorrow I will practice English.
very good እስከ ድገማ
Tomorrow I will practice English.
very good nice okay ስለዚህ ዜን ክልቲአን መንገዲ ንፊቸር ኢና ንብለላ I am going to and I عليك انت
Will.
I will very good nice ሕጂ ሕሉፍን ፊቸርን ኣልጊብና ብሓንሳብ ክንጥቀም ኢና ረ ንኣብነት እዚኣ እንታይ ትብላ ኣላ ትማሊ ከም ዘፅንዓኻን ፅባሕ ግና ከም እትለማመድ ምዝርራብ ከም እትለማመድ ትነግር ተለሊኻ እንታይ ትብል ትማሊ ፅኒሐ ነይረ ፅባሕ ከዓ ምዝርራብ ክለማመድ እየ እታ ቀዳመይቲ yesterday I studied ማሊ ኣፅኒሐ ነይረ and tomorrow I am going to practice
Okay.
ፓስትን ፊቸርን ኣላጊብና ኢና ኣለና ማለት እዩ ተረዳዲና እስከንብባ ኩላ እስከንብባ
Yesterday I studied and tomorrow I am going to practice.
very good ስለዚ ፊቸርን ፓስትን ክልቲአን ኣብ ሓንቲ ተጠቂምካ ኣለና ኣለካ ማለት እዩ ነናተን መልእክቲአን ዝህባታ ሓንቲ ትማሊ ከም ዘፅናዕኻ ያ ሓንቲ ከዓ ፅባሕ ከም ትለማመድ ማለት እዩ ናይስ እዚኣ ረኻ ኖርማሊ ፅባሕ ነቲ ሰነድ ከዕርዮ እየ tomorrow I am going to
fix the document.
tomorrow I am going to fix the document
The document.
very good tomorrow ከተገማ ከላ
tomorrow I am going to fix the document.
እስከዛ ፊክስ በይና በላ
Fix.
ስድ ኣይኮነትን just
Fix.
I am going to fix the document okay good nice so ብናይ ሕሉፍ ጀሚረ ናብ ናይ ክስታይ ቀፂለ ሓተከ ትምልሰለይ ኦኬ ክልተ ሰንተንስ ነይረከ ኤንድ ኢልካ ኮኔክት ትገብራ ኦኬ
ብናይ ክልተ ናይቲ ማለት
ናይ ሎማዓትን ማለት ያ ኦኬ ትማሊ ሰሪሐ ነይረ ፅባሕ ክድቅስ እየ ትማሊ ሰሪሐ ነይረ ፅባሕ ግን ክድቅስ እየ
yesterday I working.
no yeah yesterday
I worked.
very good yesterday I worked ግን ያለሃን but
tomorrow I sleep.
I sleep is not about feature
I will sleep.
I will sleep. Good.
Sleep.
Okay. ካልአይቲ ትማሊ ተፃዊተ ነይረ ፅባሕ ከፅንዕ
Yesterday I will played. Yesterday I played.
ሰብ yesterday I played
But
okay
tomorrow
ከፅንዕ
tomorrow I will study. I will study.
tomorrow I will study. Okay. Very good. One more. ትማሊ ንዓርከይ ረኺበዮ ፅባሕ ክድውለሉ እየ ንዓርከይ ደሰኝ ያለ
Okay.
ሕጂ ክዛረብ ከለኹ ግን እንተይለካ ክልተ ተፀራርቢ ተኮይኑ ግን ትጥቀም ኖርማል ሰንተንስ ስለ ሙሉእ ሓበሬታ ጥራይ ዝብተለይ ግን ኤንድ ጌርካ ኮኔክት ትገብር ኤንድ እቲ ካልኣይ ዝብሎ ዘለዎ ምክንያት ተኮይኑ ቢኮዝ ትብል ሓቀ ድሕር ኖርማል ተኮይኑ ግን ኤንድ ጌርካ ኮኔክት ትገብር ትማሊ ንዓርከይ ረኺበዮ ነይረ ፅባሕ ክድውለሉ እየ
Okay. Yesterday I met my friend.
Very good. I met my friend. And
I will call tomorrow.
I will call.
Tomorrow.
Call who? Call to who?
Call to.
Amen.
I will call to my friend.
I will call to my friend. When? Tomorrow. Good. Yesterday I met my friend and I will call to my friend tomorrow. Very good. ስለዚህ ከምዚ ጌርና ከዓ ከከም ኣድላይነቱ ብሓንሳብ ኮኔክት ጌርና ንጥቀመሉ ንኽእል ኢና ማለት እዩ